The secret health benefits of strawberries. Did you know that just one serving of 5 strawberries every day can prevent many chronic diseases? Strawberries are not only loved for their delicious taste, they are also loaded with many health benefits. Interested in how adding these vibrant berries to your diet can boost your health in surprising ways? Then join us as we reveal the secret health benefits of strawberries. What are strawberries all about? Strawberries are often regarded as a summer staple, gracing our tables in desserts, salads, and smoothies. However, they are far more than just a tasty fruit. Beyond being a delicious treat, strawberries are loaded with health benefits. These bright red berries are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, making them an excellent addition to your diet. 1 cup of strawberries contains approximately 49 calories while providing a wealth of nutrients like fiber, folate, and potassium. According to Medical News Today, a reputable health website, strawberries rank among the top 12 fruits high in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. A study published by the National Institute of Health also found that regular consumption of strawberries may lower your blood pressure, all thanks to their flavonoid and polyphenol contents. In addition, strawberries can easily enhance your everyday meals, allowing you to enjoy their delicious flavor and health benefits effortlessly. As we explore the remarkable advantages of strawberries, it's essential to understand why this fruit deserves a special spot in our diets. Why is it important to explore the health benefits of strawberries? According to research, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, including strawberries, can reduce the risk of chronic diseases affecting the heart and even cancer. Strawberries are vital for maintaining cellular health and reducing inflammation. Despite their benefits, strawberries are surrounded by various misconceptions. Let's explore these myths to set the record straight. What many think about strawberries. A common myth about strawberries is that they lack significant nutritional value beyond their delicious taste. In reality, strawberries are actually nutrient-dense, providing numerous health benefits. For example, 1 cup of strawberries contains about 3 grams of fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. Additionally, strawberries have a low glycemic index, making them a suitable option for those monitoring their blood sugar levels. Strawberries also have an abundant amount of an essential vitamin needed in our daily diet. Vitamin C, the immunity booster. Strawberries are exceptionally rich in vitamin C, which is one of the most vital nutrients for maintaining a healthy immune system. 1 cup of strawberries provides you with 108% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C, significantly surpassing what other fruits offer. According to research, higher vitamin C levels are linked with a lower incidence of respiratory infections. Vitamin C also plays an essential role in collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin and elasticity. Adequate vitamin C can improve your skin's appearance, reducing signs of aging and damage from sun exposure. Additionally, vitamin C aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods to help boost iron levels in the body. Given the multitude of benefits vitamin C provides, it's easy to dismiss the myth that strawberries are merely a sweet fruit. Get ready to discover the next powerful benefit strawberries have to offer. Antioxidant properties of strawberries. Strawberries are also packed with antioxidants that help protect the body from free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to various diseases. These delightful berries contain several antioxidants, including anthocyanins, ellagic acid, and quercetin. Anthocyanins, the compounds that give strawberries their vibrant red color, are particularly effective at reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that consuming strawberries can increase antioxidant levels in the bloodstream. In fact, their antioxidant content may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Therefore, incorporating strawberries into your diet is a delicious way to enhance your body's defense against free radicals. Antioxidant properties coupled with this next benefit make strawberries an essential part of our daily diet. Anti-inflammatory power of strawberries. Strawberries are packed with a significant number of anti-inflammatory properties, making them an excellent addition to any health-conscious diet. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including diabetes and even cancers. However, the bioactive compounds in strawberries, particularly polyphenols and anthocyanins, contribute to the anti-inflammatory effects. A study from the National Institute of Health found that regular consumption of strawberries can help lower levels of inflammatory markers in the body, such as C-reactive protein, which is a key indicator of inflammation. Strawberries are also linked to better blood vessel function, which is essential for heart health. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate strawberries every day showed improvements in how well their blood vessels worked. This led to better circulation and less inflammation. Additionally, it may help the body recover faster after exercise and reduce muscle soreness. We covered the more common benefits of strawberries. Now, let's cover the less talked about advantages of this bright red fruit. Strawberries and heart health. This may surprise many, but strawberries provide a tasty way to lower the risk of heart-related issues. How? These berries are rich in antioxidants and potassium, along with other essential nutrients that support better cardiovascular health. The antioxidants in strawberries help heart function by reducing oxidative stress and improving blood flow. Research shows that women who consume 3 or more servings of strawberries weekly had a 34% lower risk of heart attacks compared to those who ate fewer berries. Strawberries equally regulate blood pressure due to their potassium content, which counters the effects of sodium in the body. These heart protective properties of strawberries make them an excellent option for anyone looking to improve their cardiovascular wellness. Let's unravel how they regulate blood sugar as well. Strawberries and blood sugar. Despite their sweetness, strawberries can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for people managing diabetes or anyone looking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. Strawberries have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Instead, they provide a slow and steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. Additionally, strawberries are high in fiber, which slows the digestion of carbohydrates, further aiding in blood sugar stabilization. Research shows that polyphenols in strawberries improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to process sugar more efficiently. This is especially beneficial for those at risk or already managing diabetes. Strawberries' natural sweetness and blood sugar regulating benefits make them an ideal snack, whether enjoyed on their own or added to a delicious fruit salad. Most people don't know this next radiant benefit of strawberries. Strawberries and skin health. Strawberries enhance your skin health and give you a radiant complexion. They are nature's beauty secret, loaded with antioxidants and vitamins to help fight signs of aging and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. As stated earlier, vitamin C is essential for collagen production, a protein that keeps your skin elastic and firm. Research shows that consuming vitamin C-rich foods like strawberries can reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and overall skin aging. Strawberries equally contain ellagic acid, a potent antioxidant known for its ability to protect the skin from UV damage. Additionally, strawberries' anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritated skin, while their natural exfoliating acids, like alpha-hydroxy acid, help to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and brighten complexion. With such impressive skincare benefits, strawberries truly offer a natural way to achieve radiant, youthful-looking skin. The power of strawberries for overall well-being. Incorporating strawberries into your diet offers a range of benefits that extend beyond just heart health, blood sugar, and skincare. They also support brain health. Consuming strawberries can slow cognitive decline and improve memory thanks to its anthocyanins and flavonoids. Promote easy digestion. The high fiber content in strawberries also helps to regulate digestion, support gut health, and reduce the risk of colon cancer. Ensure weight management. Their fiber and low-calorie profile makes strawberries a satisfying, healthy choice for weight loss. There is no doubt that strawberries are loaded with many health benefits. The best part? Adding strawberries to your daily routine is both easy and delicious. So the next time you're looking for a snack, reach for strawberries. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it to help others. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips. Click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover more eye-opening content like this. See you there!